In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair our DarkMatters Easy Controller to our DarkMatters inline dimmer. The pairing process is really simple. Press and hold the two brightness buttons on the inline dimmer for 2 seconds. Your connected lights should flash twice. As soon as this happens, press and hold the on-off button on the handset and hold for 2 seconds. To show a successful pairing, your connected lights should flash 3 times. To unpair, press and hold the 2 buttons on the inline dimmer for 5 seconds. Your connected lights should flash 5 times. This will delete all pairings. With this DarkMatters Easy Controller, you can turn your DarkMatters on or off, and you can adjust the brightness with this touch slider here. If you're looking for more sophisticated means of control, then why not try our DarkMatters dedicated handset.